Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video is gonna discuss Lambda and how to write a Lambda in a quick 10 minutes, right? So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side, right? So this is my channel. If you see here, entire Git system, CRUD operation, JUnit and Mockito, a lot of logical questions and JSON series whatnot. So if you have some time you can spend over here. Okay, so let's start today's topic. So exactly Lambda, what exactly Lambda, right? So Lambdas are backed by functional interfaces, and wherever the functional interfaces we are passing as an argument, we can pass Lambda, right? So let's see what exactly that one. So if you see, I do have a interface, it's a printer, and we have a void print as a single abstract method. So it's a functional interface. And let's see my test class, it's a lambda test, and here public static void print document one method is there where we are passing printer as a parameter, right? So this printer is a interface, right? So whenever we'll call this print document, this method for example, so what exactly will pass as a argument to this method, this print document? Printer is a interface. Okay, so we cannot pass printer object as we cannot create object of a interface, right? We cannot create an object of an interface, right? So that time what exactly we can do, we can create a implementation class of a printer. So here is the implementation class laser printer. So we have implements printer interface, and we have override this method print method, and here we have system.out.println, your document got printed. Okay, now let's go to again this test class. So how will call this method print document? So just see laser printer, I have commented out this line, laser printer equal to new laser printer, or we can have printer equal to new laser printer. Okay, and here we can pass printer as a argument, right? So hold a second. Yeah, I am back. So printer we have passed. Let's run this one and we're gonna see. Just see, your document got printed. So from where it's getting printed, uh this implementation class. What is the implementation? Laser printer, right? So this is very tedious job, right? So we need to create a implementation class object and then we need to pass. Pretty simple. Wherever we are passing these functional interfaces argument, there we can pass lambda expression, right? So this is very tricky how we'll write the lambda expression. So just remember my trick. What exactly you need to do? Simply go to that functional interface and check that method. Simply copy paste, simply copy this method, whatever the method is there, simply copy that one and go to this test class and simply paste over here. First paste this one, then I will say remove any return type, remove that return type, remove that method name, simply remove that one. Now what is remaining? Only parameters. So currently we do not have parameter, right? So let it be. Now put a arrow symbol and open curly braces and close curly braces. Remove this semicolon. You are done. Whatever the logic you want, just type over here. So system dot out dot println printing from lambda. Pretty simple. Let's run this one and we're gonna see. Just see, printing from Lambda. So this is for no parameter, right? Now let's see if any parameter exists and some return type exists, then how will write that lambdas. Pretty simple for that one. I do have another interface, functional interface. It's a bank where we do have a abstract method, string check balance, and string is the return type, and here one parameter is there, string account number, right? And for that one I do have a test method where public static void, not this one, public static string check balance, so it will check the balance, and bank as a parameter, right? So here we'll pass bank. So bank is a functional interface. So what exactly we need to pass? We need to pass the implementation class object of bank. So check balance, and we need to pass implementation class object. So how we'll do? Bank be equal to new SBI, and we need to pass this B over here, and so it will return a string, right? It will return a string. So let me print that one, system dot out dot println. Here we are good. Control Alt L. Okay, let me run this one. So it will print something, your account number, balance for account number, some will be sent to your registered mobile number shortly, right? So this is coming from this SBI implementation method. Just see. Okay, now let's see how to write this lambda for this one. Thumb rule. What is the thumb rule? Inside that argument, simply first go to bank interface, copy this entire method, copy, go to this test wherever you are passing this argument, simply paste. No worries, simply paste. First one, what you need to do, remove that accessibility modifier, remove the return type, remove that method name, simply remove. Done. First step. Second step, what we need to do, simply remove the semicolon, put a arrow symbol. Half part done. Put a curly braces over here. You are done completely. And here one thing, we are returning something, right? So this method have a return type. If you go to this bank, we do have a return type as a string, right? So from there we need to return. So let me copy this entire, sorry, Control Z, copy this string and go to this lambda test. So here in this body, from this body, method body, we need to return something, retur, sorry, not required, return from lambda, good to go. So let me remove this one. Okay, good to go. Now let's run this example and we're gonna see. Pretty simple and short and very easy. Just see, from lambda balance for account number, something it's done, right? So I hope you got a clear cut picture that how we'll write a lambda expression. Simply wherever you are passing a functional interface as an argument, there we can have a lambda expression. For that one, simply go to functional interface and there check what is the method. Simply copy paste that method to your argument and modify accordingly. And this is that example. Now let's see another example. So if you see here, list is there and some random names are present over here, right? Now let me apply names dot stream filter, right? So filter, if you go to filter, here we do have a parameter as a predicate, right? So predicate, what exactly this one? This is a functional interface predicate, right? So go to this predicate and just see here boolean test, right? Boolean test. Simply copy this one. So return type is boolean and method name is test and parameter is so this one. Now go to lambda test. Simply copy paste here. Remove this boolean. Remove this method name. And instead of t, what exactly we'll get? So here string name, right? And put an arrow mark, filter, and what exactly do you want to do? So here it will return a boolean, right? So return. So what exactly I will do? Some filter I will apply. If that name starts with R, then filter that one. So name dot what's happening over here? Starts with R. Sorry, remove that one and put it here. Let me return. It will return boolean, right? So let's have semicolon. Yep, I am done. And let's collect that one. Collect collectors to list. So here I am applying for each to see those filtered names, right? So let me comment out these stuffs. Okay, so here what exactly I have done? So one list is there where we do have random names, and here I have applied stream and then filter. So this filter is taking a what is that one? Functional interface is an argument, right? So predicate is a functional interface. If you see, this predicate is a functional interface, which is taking as an argument. So that time we can pass as a lambda. So this is that lambda, right? Simply how we have done, go to this and go to this predicate functional interface, test, copy this one and paste over there, and whatever how I have explained, you can do like that one, right? So hope you got a clear picture that how we'll write a lambda in a tricky manner. Though in 10 minutes we cannot cover the entire end-to-end, but somehow I hope I have explained you that in tricky manner how we can write a lambda expression, right? So if this video is really helpful to you people, please do hit a like and have some comments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? So appreciate and thank you for watching.